Handbrake is done. Good amount of tension. There's a button built into the top up here. There's a button right here that also latches and stays pushed until you push it again. I have it for my high beam headlights. And then there is this button. I have it for back to pits. There's a potentiometer that doesn't really work. I'm going to swap for a rotary encoder at some point. Then there's the screen. There's this one. Shows you percentages. There's that one. Big ol' percentage. And the best one. Rolling time graph. And there's menu. There's calibration. Can't do it one-handed. So then there's the curve editor. Controls how aggressive your pull is applied. There's an editable dead zone. 10%, 5%. LED control. You can control the brightness. Not really of the screen, I don't think, but the buttons you can see. It only wants to focus on my finger, of course. And then there is an about menu. Date of manufacturer, serial number, software version, name of the product. Very exciting.